Now I will give the floor to the parliamentary leader of PTI.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Honor to welcome
चेयरमैन
this
सेनेट यूसुफ
distinguished gathering.
गिलानी की ज़ेर सदारत इजलास जारी है। सेनेट का ये इजलास है जो कि जारी है। असम्बली जो अरकान हैं वो इज़हार ख्याल कर रहे हैं
And potential continue to inspire the world. I know you are Pakistan's friends, and I know that you believe in that African proverb that if you go alone, you will go fast, but if you go together, you will go far. Unfortunately, Mr. Chairman, today we gather with a heavy heart. We are mourning the innocent lives lost in the horrific attack in Balochistan. Any act of terrorism strikes at the very core of humanity. Targeting children, symbols of hope and future, is an unspeakable atrocity that cannot be justified. We stand united in grief with the families. My heart, Mr. Chairman, is heavy, but my resolve strong. It is unshakable. What happened in Balochistan is pure evil. But Pakistan, I tell you, my friends, Pakistan will not bow. Not now, not ever. I say, and I call my government also to say, and I call the world and my African friends to also say, enough is enough. Terrorism, and for terrorists, there can be no mercy. Mr. Chairman, Africa is not just a continent of immense wealth. It is a continent of history, culture, youth, values.
Please order in the House.
It is a continent of history, culture, youth, values, innovation, and vision. And we share, Pakistanis and the African nations share common principles, Mr. Chairman. We have the courage to face adversity. We have the ability to write our own future with sovereignty, dignity, and unity. Pakistan saw a recent terrorist attack by a neighbor, India. We saw a terrorist attack in the shadows of night. They came and they killed our innocent children. We, in self-defense, as a brave nation, gave them a befitting reply. We counterattacked. But as a responsible nation, I want to tell my friends, our counterattack was measured and proportionate. We did not target civilians. We are a compassionate nation that does not believe in war. We targeted their military operations. And we proved to the world that we are superior militarily, diplomatically, and morally. When, with the sheer force of our counterattack, India sought a ceasefire, we as a peace-loving country accepted it. We accepted it with open arms. But what has happened yesterday will not be tolerated. I, in a speech in the Senate, warned everybody that Modi is a wounded rat and he will try and counterattack through terrorist activities in the country. We have to be careful, we have to be prepared. We have seen this, and I want to tell my brothers representing the African nations, I want to tell them also, Mr. Chairman, that India is committing a horrible wrong by trying to cancel an Indus water treaty that we have with them. They are trying to starve us. They are trying to make sure that we don't get water by diverting our rivers. We will not tolerate them, and we need your support in that as well. Mr. Chairman, it was rightly pointed out by you just before in our meeting to the representatives that one of the major issues that we have to solve is the issue of Kashmir, according to law, according to the United Nations resolutions. Our African representatives understand that. I would suggest that we should have a separate meeting with them, since they're all here later to discuss the Indus Water Treaty issue and also the issue of Kashmir. It is a great opportunity today to do that. Mr. Chairman, we stand, of course, with our neighbors, Africa is actually a continental neighbor of Asia. We stand with them shoulder to shoulder in their journey of prosperity. We, as partners, our journey is shared in cooperation. It is rooted in cooperation and strengthened by solidarity and driven by a collective commitment to build a future based on dignity, justice, and mutual respect. Today, we honor the enduring friendship between Pakistan and the nations of Africa, a friendship that has grown stronger with every passing year, one shaped by our shared vision for peace, prosperity, and progress. And may I remind you, Mr. Chairman, that this partnership is not built on lofty words only. It is grounded in our shared history, in our common values, and in a firm commitment to face our challenges together. Ladies and gentlemen, and I'd like the honorable senators to just note, it was with this spirit that in 2019, the Engage Africa policy was launched by Pakistan. It was during my government that we launched this policy, which marked a significant shift in our diplomatic priorities. It was aimed at strengthening Pakistan's relationship with Africa through broader political, economic, and cultural cooperation. As part of that initiative, as already pointed out by the Honorable Leader of the House, Pakistan opened new diplomatic missions across the continent, expanding our presence and deepening our engagement. But this was not just a strategic decision. It was a clear reflection of Pakistan's commitment to building a stronger, more connected partnership with Africa. And this partnership is not limited to governments alone. It is above all about people, the individuals who make up our societies, the human connections that bind us. Through these initiatives like the Pakistan Technical Assistance Program and our Foreign Service Academy, we have laid the foundation for lasting relationships with mutual growth. To date, over 700 diplomats from 52 African countries have trained in Pakistan. Each one is a living testament to the strength of our cooperation and the depth of our friendship. I propose a new initiative today. Today is an important day. The bond between Africa and Pakistan is not just diplomatic. It is not only economical, it is cultural. And by celebrating our histories, our achievements, and our dreams together, we strengthen those bonds, build relationships that go beyond politics and trade. Nelson Mandela, like Imran Khan, is my ideal leader. As Nelson Mandela so wisely said, it is in your hands to create a better world for all those who live in it. That call still echoes today. It challenges each one of us to come together to build a future that is brighter, more inclusive, and full of opportunity for every citizen, no matter their origin or background. As part of the opposition, representing the opposition here, it is often my role to offer constructive criticism and hold the government to account. But when it comes to friendship between Pakistan and Africa, let me be clear, there is no opposition. There is only unity. There is only unity. Shared ambition and a deep belief in the power of collaboration. Thank you very much.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।